So hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at built-in functions inside strings class, and this is going to be a very short video because all we need to do is to demonstrate a built-in function. So and the built-in function is length function in strings, length function in strings, which is used to find the length of any given string. Okay, so I think the agenda is quite clear, and what we need to do is let's first define a string. So string str is equal to, let's say, PVB-GEEK, and then what? Then nothing. All we need to do is to display the length of string. So as out, the length of given string is plus str dot length. So dot length is the function used to find the length of a string. So let's just try to run it. Okay, so output is also quite clear. The length of string is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. One thing which I want every viewer to remember is that initially when we were dealing with arrays, okay, so for example, if we had an array ARR is equal to something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like this, any dummy array, and when we used to traverse it, we used to write something like for int I is equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length. But then this was something which was just ARR dot length, okay, not like length with these brackets. Okay, the reason was this was just the property called as length, which is suitable for arrays. However, this time when it comes to strings, this is not a property, it's a proper built-in function inside strings class, and using this str object for this string class, we are calling this function length. So don't forget to put these brackets when it comes to finding the length of string, and remember there are no such round brackets when it comes to dealing with arrays. Okay, so that's it in this video. So remember, whenever we want to find the length of a string, we use dot length function, and this is something which we are going to use very frequently when we need to traverse any array, okay, so that's it in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.